Good morning, sixth grade. So clearly it's nighttime because I'm doing this tonight, Thursday night, but you're watching this on Friday morning. So I'm going to create a volcano with my clay, and I have vinegar in my cup and my baking soda that has OxyClean on that. But I'm going to give you a little bit of background, and then I'm going to create it, let it explode, and then give you some more feedback on how the volcano affects all the different spheres. So this is an example of a volcanic eruption that actually did happen. On May 18th in 1980, Mount St. Helens in the state of Washington erupted. This event altered the surrounding environment and provided scientists with an opportunity to study the effects of volcanic eruptions on the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Such studies are vital because volcanic eruptions will continue to occur and will have increasing impact on humans as people continue to settle lands closer to dormant volcanoes. The following are a few of a myriad of interactions resulting from volcanic eruptions. So my website gives me a whole bunch of different explanations. I picked one of the explanations that I'm going to explain to you guys after. Actually, I might use two of them. I'm going to use two of them. But I'm going to create my volcano first with my dough, my molded clay. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Stick that there. Okay, so I needed something that would look kind of more like a volcano than just a cup, because that's kind of boring to just use a cup. So I'm molding it out. It doesn't really look like a volcano, it kind of looks more like a vase. But that's okay. It has a hole in it. There's my volcano. So the volcano itself, because it's like a mountain, is part of the geosphere, and the lava inside of it is melted rock, which is also part of the geosphere. Okay, there's my volcano. So we all know how to make this eruption. I'm just kind of doing it to make this video more interesting. Hopefully this works and it doesn't look stupid. Okay. There is the baking soda, and in my Starbucks cup I have my vinegar. And it exploded. Ooh, actually, using this one is really cool because it has the soap in it already. That's why it's all foamy and stuff. Okay, so there's my eruption. So as you're looking at my eruption, so volcanoes are events in the geosphere. And they release substantial amounts of hot lava, which is part of the geosphere, which causes the mountain glaciers to melt. The glaciers are part of the hydrosphere. Mud flows and flooding may occur downstream from volcanoes and may inundate stream-side communities. So the mud flows are part of the geosphere, and when they go downstream, they're going to affect communities, and those communities are part of the biosphere. So the volcanoes actually do affect the atmosphere as well. Volcanoes, again, they are part of a geospheric event, release a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The raw material from sugar production in plants, the plants are part of the biosphere. This may increase photosynthetic production, meaning it's going to increase photosynthesis, and eventually increase the amount of biomass, which after a long time forms coal and oil deposits in the geosphere. And let's see it erupt over time. Okay, now I'm going to make a huge mess. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my little demonstration. See you on Zoom. Bye!